Wanted. Artificial intelligence, accused of making our lives easier and stealing our jobs. Is it friend, foe, or just a really smart toaster? Today we're roping in the truth. With some good old-fashioned humor, of course. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from your phone finishing your sentences to vacuum robots that chase your dog like it's the Wild West. But should we be excited or worried? Saddle up, partner, because we're riding through the wild frontier of AI. The advantages. AI helps doctors detect diseases early. Self-driving cars, no backseat driver needed. Automating boring tasks, like answering 5,000 emails from your Aunt Karen. Smart homes that adjust the lights and temp until Alexa starts judging your pizza intake. Thanks to AI, we now have chatbots that can talk to you 24/7, which is great because who needs real friends, right? The disadvantages. Job displacement. AI's not taking all our jobs. Just the ones that involve typing, talking, thinking, and breathing. Bias and ethics. Some AI tools think a hot dog is a cat. What else are they confused about? Privacy invasion. It knows when you're sleeping. It knows when you're awake. No, it's not Santa. It's your smart fridge. Have a fake courtroom scene where an AI toaster is being prosecuted for stealing someone's job as a breakfast chef. The big question. So, is AI going to be humanity's ultimate tool or our undoing? That depends on us. Yep, just like horses back in the old days. AI can be a great ride, or throw you face first into a cactus if you're not careful. Artificial intelligence isn't good or evil. It's just really, really smart. Like that kid in school who finished the math test in 2 minutes and then told everyone your calculator was upside down. What do you think? Is AI our partner or our rival? Drop your AI experience in the comments, or your weirdest Alexa moment. Hit that like button like it's the self-destruct button for Skynet, and subscribe before the algorithm forgets we exist.